Good morning, students. Class A, this is your chapter number 5 on being an Indian. This chapter has been written by Ruskin Bond, and I will just briefly tell you about Ruskin Bond and what the chapter is about, what exactly it is about. By race, Ruskin Bond is a European, and however, both Ruskin Bond's father and Ruskin Bond himself, they both were brought up and born in India, and for many years they had been residing in this country. They were European by race, and according to the history, according to Bond, he had earned him a place on the Indian soil. And in spite of his origin, he is as Indian as any other native dweller of that land. And that is why, according to him, the country is more important than his race. He said that here in this land he has lived, born, and he had felt the presence of his Indianness, and he is very happy and very comfortable with his Indianness, and he wants to spend his entire life, in the way in which he had been adapted to his natural surroundings. And over here in the starting, he's telling us that there are many of us who get the opportunity of leaving India and settling in abroad. And by chance, Ruskin Bond also had an opportunity of going and settling over there. But over there, something was there that was stopping him. And it was not just because he didn't want to go or anything, but he was scared even though he got a good opportunity. But then also he thought that he was very much comfortable with his surroundings and with his Indianness, and that is why he was not able to leave the place. While there are many Indians, if they get an opportunity by chance, they leave India and go and settle abroad for not never returning back. And he was also offered a well paid job at magazine in Hong Kong, but then also he thought about it for many times, but then also he decided to live in India. And after his decisions, what did his friends think? They thought that Ruskin Bond was a crazy person, and they said that, see, if any person is getting an opportunity of working in Hong Kong and settling down over there, one could grab this opportunity and live a better life, but you have just let it gone. And they said that his friends have also gone away and never to return, and over there they also don't feel homesick, according to Ruskin Bond. But Ruskin Bond calls himself as a paranoid. What is the meaning of paranoid? Means extremely suspicious and afraid of going away from India. And he thinks, what if he is unable to come back to India? And this happened in his childhood when he was a boy. He went to England and he was longing and he was in a need of coming back to India. But what happened? He did not have money to come back to India, and for 2 years he worked over there in England like a slave, and he wanted to earn some money so that he could come back home to India. And home wasn't the parents or the brothers or the sisters. Why? Because they were not here, but exactly it was the love for India, love for the place, because he had adapted himself according to the surrounding of India, and he was very much comfortable with his Indianness.